Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer, where we only trade when the market pays us to. I'll be honest, I almost didn't do a video today because of the way the market looks, not very encouraging, but then I remembered it's probably worthy for you guys to actually see as well when I'm like, nope, not good enough of a trading day for me. Anyway, let's get into it. The pound, I haven't really changed my stance here. I do think that they might reverse here, maybe go a little bit higher first, and break last week's high before reversing. I think it's possible, but it's not good enough for me to actually want to marry that idea. So I won't be trading there. The euro, yeah, completed my 3 levels. I expect them to drop from here. Kind of curious how they behaved at last month's high, but we'll see how that develops. I guess it does make a difference that tomorrow is non-farm. Sometimes the market will kind of be choppy and indecisive, for lack of a better word, leading up to NFP. So yeah, just be wary of that. But not to say now that we can't get any trades again. I actually did get something yesterday, so don't completely rubbish it, but don't be shocked when like the market isn't moving the way you would like to see it. Dollar CAD, I expect them to rise. I'll be looking for long positions. However, again, I'm also monitoring this low here, because if they break this low, then the whole thing changes. It's basically a reset, but they haven't broken this low yet, this peak formation here, so I'm still looking for longs, maybe down there. Dollar Swiss, another one that's just like yesterday. I'm not sure what's actually happening here. Is this a level? Is it 2 levels? Very seldom if it does 2 levels in one day like this, so I would expect one more level of drop. But then at the same time, when I'm looking at the dollar index and what I'm anticipating there, is dollar strength, which would push this one here up. So another one that I'm definitely going to be staying out of. EURGBP, again, until they've broken this high, I'm still short here. So I'll be looking to go short. They did come back, but this again could be a multi-day, almost a whole week's long. But a multi-day M, we'll see how that develops. Hopefully something comes today. Euro Swiss franc, again, I'm still expecting short here. All of this means very little to me. Yeah, we'll talk about actual entries later, but for now, I'm anticipating short here. GJ, another one of these. This is the one like that usually makes me think, am I even gonna get anything? I mean, look at this, no movement whatsoever. Obviously, most of it was exhausted in these 2 levels, but yeah, this is horrible to see. But I am still expecting short. That hasn't changed. So maybe today they'll get on the bike. Who knows? EJ, same thing. 2 levels of drop. I want to go short. They kind of kept a very small range in the last few days. Does it even make half the ADR? Nah, just about half the ADR, which is not ideal. So yeah, I am expecting short, but let's have a look at entries. Cable, nothing there. Remember, Euro USD. Let's see. Would be nice for them to come up here. Whether I think you'll notice over time that oftentimes they'll go slightly above the area of interest, but it's very important to know what you're looking for. So I would take it if they go above yesterday's high, provided I get an interest signal, of course. So that's what I'm anticipating on the euro. USDCAD, yeah, I do want to go long there. Basically the inverse as it stands, the inverse of the euro. So I do want to take a long there. Should it present, we'll see how that goes. The Swiss franc, I'm staying out just like yesterday. EURGBP, let us see. We're just looking at Asian session high, so maybe somewhere slightly above there. We could get a short if something does give. Oh, pardon my craftsmanship there. Euro Swiss, it's moved so much already today. Yeah, it's moved a little bit much today. I definitely wouldn't take it up there. So essentially I'm staying out, but do not discount this being an actual Swiss franc, this being an actual stop hunt. Could be an M right here, but it falls out of the parameters for my trade criteria, so I will stay out there, but you could get that move over there. GJ actually had a very nice, well, a decent AM yesterday. Not that I could actually trade, but I was looking at it and I was actually waiting for it. Let's see if today we could get any luck again. More likely here. I mean, something could print here. Let's see. CJ telling us, yeah, something could give somewhere here. This is where I would be open to taking a position and going short from there. And finally, EJ, the same thing for the most part. Not entirely convinced, but if something comes, I will trade it. So I'll still be expecting something before I completely discard it. So would take short there. And that basically is it for today in terms of my potential trade opportunities. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like there, subscribe. You know, all the good stuff. We've got 2 Telegram platforms, if you will. 1 discussion group where we talk about our trades or discuss anything trading related. Again, it's open for the most part. Anything BTMM related, even if you're not a BTMM trader, feel free to join us. Just a traders community, if you will. And I will be giving macro overviews in the other channel. In the channel you'll find in the description as well. There it's just me providing macro updates and anything that is relevant. Maybe when time goes, I'll start talking or updating as and when I take trades. Haven't really decided how I feel about that. I may or may not. But for now, definitely you'll find a macro overview or something in there, especially with NFP. I'll put something out tomorrow morning, and either after NFP or Monday morning, most likely Monday morning, but we'll basically open Monday's trading week with a macro overview. So that's how I normally do things in there. Join the channel from the link in the description if that is something you are interested in. Otherwise, like I said, that is all from me. I hope you guys have an extremely profitable trading day, and I will see you in the next one.